Hello everyone, so today we have an exciting unboxing birthday haul. My birthday was just on Saturday. Want to see what all I got? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs. So if you're into that sort of thing, much like I am, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon so that way you're notified when I post new content every Wednesday and Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Time. Today's episode is going to be an exciting one. We are going to be discussing all the things that I got for my birthday this year. I started my birthday shopping probably late September. A couple of these things you've already seen on either my Instagram or over on my TikTok or on this channel. I've already unboxed a couple of these for you, so we're just going to briefly look at those items. So I'm going to do chapters. This is going to be kind of a long, rambly video. We have things from Balenciaga, Coach, Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Nike, Zara, all over the place. So with that said, there's going to be chapters. I'm going to start with the designer things first, finish with the clothing. There's going to be close-ups of everything. It's going to be as organized as possible, so let's dive in. Before me, I have several bags and a new wallet. So let's start out with Balenciaga. All right, so for Balenciaga, this is actually my gift from Zane this year, and he understood the assignment. So this item was actually in my watch list, and I used to be, when I was a kid, I would like go all over the house trying to find like my birthday gifts or Christmas gifts. Some years I found them, some years I didn't. And I would always spoil my gifts. Well, for some reason, now that I'm an adult, I like to be surprised. I won't snoop. I don't go through Zane's emails or, his receipts or anything, just because I want to be genuinely surprised when I get the gift. That didn't happen this year. On my Fashionphile wish list or watch list, I had several Balenciaga wallets, this being one of them, and a white Fendi Peekaboo, which I don't know if it's here or not. I haven't opened it yet. This wallet and the Fendi Peekaboo both disappeared the same morning at the same time, so I had a suspicion that I at least got one of them, the Balenciaga wallet. No luck on the Fendi bag yet. For the Balenciaga wallet, this thing is so stinking cute. This is just the classic hardware, the Agno leather, and I think this is the color, I think it's black. I don't think it's anthracite. This is definitely the black. This is in flawless condition, you guys. Absolutely stunning. So I think that the original owner might have carried it for maybe a season, if even. Like the glazing is still intact. It even still has all of the Balenciaga paperwork back here, which is, amazing for us collectors. And where there should be like credit card like stretching and lines and wear, there's really barely any whatsoever. So I would be really surprised if the original owner maybe carried this more than a month or two. The worst area for wear is like right here on the zipper pull, and that's to be expected, especially with the classic hardware. You got these tassel zipper pulls instead of like the actual zipper pulls like on the giant hardware. But it's an accordion wallet, and you can fit, there's 2 card slots at either end, and then all this space here in the center for like cards, cash, coins, things like that. It's very similar both in size and construction to the Louis Vuitton Zippy. So this wallet was originally purchased at Barney's, New York for the grand total of $445. I think I paid a lot less back then for my Zippy coin purse, but from Louis Vuitton, what can you do though? This is a much nicer quality wallet. It's full leather, lambskin leather, and it's gorgeous. I mean, it even smells brand new, you guys. It also came with the original care card, which is awesome, and the Balenciaga Controlato card, as well as the dust bag. Like I said, this was on my Fashionphile watch list. It disappeared one morning, and then I happened to be in the package room and saw the delivery, and I knew that's probably about the size of a wallet. Anyway, as I was saying though, Zane did an amazing job. It's kind of funny. So he had mentioned, maybe I should get like a smaller card holder from Balenciaga for some of my smaller Balenciaga bags, like the triangle or my envelope flap clutches, or I mean, heck, even the clip pouch could benefit from a smaller wallet. This is my secret and I'm going to spoil it. But whenever Zane mentions, oh, that might be a good idea to buy, or, oh, I really like that, I generally take that as, a green light to go ahead and purchase that. And that's why this was on my watch list, but it didn't stick around for too long. I think there's a pink one right now, which I might snag here before Christmas for myself, but we'll see. Anyway, Balenciaga Zippy wallet, absolutely love it. The next letter in the alphabet is C for Coach. All right, so for the Coach bags, if you've already seen my saga on the Cambridge clutch, which just went live on Sunday, then you already know the ins and outs of this bag. Oh God, yes, it still smells awful. I'm not gonna bore you with the details. If you haven't seen that video yet, link is down in the description. This was a huge fail, and it's disgusting. But there was a new bag at the boutique that I wanted. I was a little disappointed, so we went to the Oak Brook Mall here in Illinois. It was either that one or I think the Michigan Avenue store had them both in stock. I didn't feel like dealing with the city. The mall also had Louis Vuitton, Gucci, very nice Neiman Marcus. I was like, let's just do that. Everything's all in one spot. Park the car, forget about it, and just, you know, be done with it. The service at the store was particularly disheartening. It wasn't very well organized. The lady that helped us was great. She was very knowledgeable, very sweet, but her coworkers really set her up for failure. I used to work for Coach way back in the day, so I know a thing or two about how they're supposed to do things, and unless they've, you know, relaxed their environment per se or their procedures, this store was particularly not the best. So they literally, when I worked for Coach, you would have to take the bag out of the bag, the picker would get it, and you take off all the plastic wrap, receipt, you know, tags, everything, put it in the dust bag, wrap it up in tissue, put it in the box, wrap it in a bow, put it in the bag, and literally walk out with the bag like this so the customer could put their hand in it. That didn't happen here at the Oak Brook store. They literally took the bag off the shelf in the back, still wrapped up in all the plastic and nonsense, threw it in the shopping bag, and then her coworker literally came out of the back and said, "Here it is," and threw it down on a side table and walked away. Even she was surprised. She's like, "Oh, let me go see, you know, how they're coming along with that bag in the back." And I'm like, I think this is it. So will I be going back to that store? Probably not. I might also be a little bit done with Coach for the time being, just with the fail from eBay and then how this was handled. Anyway, ranting aside, I absolutely love this bag. I actually carried this today, so if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll have seen it in my story and both there and on my regular post. But this is the mini cash and tote, and I got it in the color chalk. I'm going to do a full reveal on this bag for you guys. That'll go up on Sunday, but this bag is so freaking cute. So it literally holds quite a lot given its size. There's a card holder here on the inside, built-in card slot. You can probably get about, you know, 4 or 5 cards in there. This does fit the Pro Max phones. I think it was kind of designed around that because it literally fits perfectly right underneath this magnetic flap here. And overall, it's just a super cute bag. It does have feet, and it is marked original gloved hand leather here on the bottom. The strap is detachable, so you can carry it with just little handles here up at the top, or you can wear this crossbody or shorten it and just do it over the shoulder. But like I said, there's gonna be a full in-depth review going out for you guys on Sunday. And that is my new mini cash and tote from Coach. Like I said, this has already made its appearance, its debut, if you will, over on Instagram, but this is my newest bag from Fendi. For those of you who don't know, can you take a guess and tell me what it is? Let me know down in the comments. I mean, you all already watch all my videos, so you know if I buy something in one color, I have to buy it in 1,000 different colors. And the Large Peekaboo is no exception. So this bag was actually purchased from Fashionphile, and it's the Large Peekaboo in the black calfskin leather with mixed metal hardware. It looks like I have some brushed nickel, some brushed gold, and then the Fendi buckle here. It is enameled in black behind the Fendi, which really sets it off. Overall, it's an absolutely stunning bag. I'm a little disappointed, so I did order this from Fashionphile. I did the reserve program. I wanted to give that a try for you guys and kind of tell you all about it. So with the reserve program, essentially you pay a quarter of the bag's worth or their price, and then you have 2 months to make the rest of the payments. So for this bag, I think it was priced at maybe $1,200. So I forget how much I put down. I ended up just paying it all off on the second payment, so that way it was here during my birthday week, which I love the program. It's great as long as you know you're not going to return something. Now, something that Fashionphile didn't do, which I'm a little annoyed with, they didn't disclose there are some pretty bad, it's not going to pick up on camera, there are some pretty bad scratches, so much so like there's even like a little bit of leather lifted up. So I'm going to have to send this off for repair, which is really frustrating. Had I not done reserve, I probably, well, I don't know, I really love the bag and it was a pretty good deal. If you do the reserve, there is a 10% restocking fee if you return something. So you have to make sure that it's absolutely what you want and that it's not one of those listings. They've been doing this a lot lately where they only show like 4 photos of the item and then want to charge like over $1,000 for it. Like you need a minimum of 6 photos in my mind. Whatever, I don't run that company. I'm just a shopper. This bag is absolutely stunning, you guys. Now, if you guys haven't already seen my full review on the Large Fendi Peekaboo, please check that out. Link is down in the description. I absolutely love this bag. It does have a not a crossbody strap, but a shoulder strap. But if you watched my original Fendi Peekaboo videos, you'll know that I'm 6'7", so that just looks silly on me having a bag up in my armpit. So I'm never going to carry it crossbody or on the shoulder. I did carry this shopping on Saturday, and I absolutely loved it. It just got really heavy by the end of the day. So I thought about taking this with us to our trip to Spain here. I think I've decided against it. It's just too heavy. You could literally, you know, stick your hand in there and snatch things. So this will be staying home here in Chicago, but I see a few more Peekaboos in my future. What do you guys think? So the final item for our luxury goods in this haul, I've already revealed it on this channel. It's too gorgeous that it deserves more than one video. So this bag, I still cannot believe I own this. This bag has been on my wish list, or a bag from this collection has been on my wish list since 2003. Like, no joke. I've always wanted a multicolor bag from Louis Vuitton. And I finally added the Marilyn to my collection in the black multicolor. And oh my God, it's stunning. I already did a full review on this bag, what it'll fit and whatnot. That's already up on my channel. I think I showed you what it'll fit. Maybe I didn't. I don't think I did. So I'm gonna have to do a review video for you guys just so I can show you what all fits, how I style it, how I wear it out. I mean, it would look really nice with this suede shirt with some of these later aqua colors. Yeah, this is probably one of the holy grail pieces in my collection until I get my Birkin or my Kelly. I just can't believe that I finally have multicolor at the age of 33. Who knew? So that is my newest Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, so that ends the designer portion of this video. So now I'm gonna talk about some clothing that I picked up. I only picked up a few things just because I need clothes for our trip to Spain. I am so excited. I literally cannot wait to get out of here for a full, I think 7 days, 8 days. Regardless, I'm just excited to get out of the States for a week. I had to buy some new clothes. First off, I hit the Nike outlet and I picked up these really cool, just kind of like windsuit. Do we still call it that? Windsuit? Joggers? I don't know. These fun swishy pants, tapered leg. I don't know what they're called. You've got the double Nike swoosh here. Just says swoosh down the leg. And I picked up a really cool sweatshirt that's gonna look great with these. So I figured these would be just good for maybe bumming around Barcelona one afternoon, or maybe even train rides or the plane. Just super comfy, super cash, and I think perfect for travel. So then we stopped over at Zara. Zara is one of my probably favorite stores. I collect both runway pieces, but I can't always be in, you know, $10,000 outfits. Sometimes I need to wear real things. So I got this suede shirt from Zara. The sleeves are a bit short, but I mean, it just kind of shows off the bling better, so I'm okay with that. And I also picked up this gorgeous dark blue corduroy shirt. Again, it has the double pockets, and I did it in kind of an oversized look just to look casual. I'm thinking like light jeans or maybe even khakis with this shirt. Just like a fun vibe. It's a little bit thicker, so I can wear this in the cooler fall days and not have to worry about a jacket. Just overall a fun vibe. And then I did pick up this roll neck sweater, this turtleneck. It's like in a fun acid green. This was kind of giving me Balenciaga vibes. So I'm picturing this with like maybe some like really cool combat pants and boots, my Balenciaga puffer clutch, and just kind of like going for like a really cool Balenciaga vibe, obviously. And I think the price point on this one was, this was $59.90. I think the two shirts were $69.90, and then the fleece jacket. Wait until you see the fleece jacket. So this one was the last one they had in store. So this is just super cool. Again, Balenciaga vibes. I'm loving the graffiti look, just like chill vibes only. You know, being cozy. I don't even know what the words say. That's fine. We don't need to read it. But I just thought this was so much fun and I had to have it. This one I want to say was priced at $119 if I remember right. And this will be fun. Again, I could do it with like combat pants, joggers, just a really cool look. Chill vibes. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my birthday haul. We saw things from Coach, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Nike, Zara, and I don't think I'm leaving anyone out. Again, thank you all for the birthday wishes. I heard from a lot of you over here on YouTube, Instagram. I posted on TikTok. Still not really sure what to do with that over there, but I'm on there. So if you want to find me, caleb.snell.designer. Same name over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. And yeah, that is today's video. Coming up this Sunday, I have a really fun review on the Coach mini cash and tote planned for you guys. So that'll go up on Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.